Believe it or not, AMC stock is looking very good right now. I know we had a red day today. I know it went down a little bit, but listen, short interest is increasing, volume is decreasing, and what is the price doing? The price is staying relatively the same. We're seeing a lot of support in the mid $30 range, and this is looking excellent. So we'll discuss this briefly in the video, but in this video, I want to jump into the minds of a hedge fund. Why won't they just cover the stock? What do they see that we don't see? Let's take a look at the perspective on how they're looking at AMC and GameStop and all of these meme stocks that they're out there shorting, and try to determine, one, their strategy, and two, how to use that against them, and finally see AMC stock squeeze to the absolute moon. So if all of this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and yes, we are growing our portfolios together. AMC stock, like I said, it is looking very good right now. I know a lot of people might be discouraged. You see red, you want to turn away and look. It's not always what it seems. Red days can be good. We were only down like 0.5% today. The short interest is at an all-time high. Ortex is estimating it to be roughly 21%, 108 plus million shares being shorted according to Ortex, and all of these shares have to be covered. There's never been 108 plus million shares estimated to need to be covered by Ortex. All of the numbers, everything we're looking at, adds up to the fact that we're getting one step closer to the AMC stock short squeeze every turn we take. Every day that passes, we are one step closer, and the price is not taking a beating like the hedge funds wish it would. This is excellent. So you're looking at short interest, excellent news. Price staying the same, excellent news. We want it to go up. I guess excellent news would be if the price was going up, but still very good news. It's strong, it's bullish that they can't push us down. Volume decreasing. You guys should know my theory on volume by now. We want to see days to cover increase. We want to see these day traders and these institutional traders take a step away from AMC stock. Sure, they provide buying power, but we want to see them take a step away so that the volume decreases to a level where the days to cover is so high that the hedge funds have no other opportunity but to go out and cover all of their shorts on AMC stock. But why aren't they doing it? Let's try to get into the mind of a hedge fund really quick. During the live stream today, I believe it was Matthew, he asked the question, what's the strategy that these hedge funds have out there? Can you give us an insight into maybe what they're thinking? And yes, here's the deal. Hedge funds, and I believe our buddy Kenny G the other day said that shorting GameStop was one of the easiest decisions he's ever made. Let's break that down, okay? Because one, he's bluffing. Okay, he knows that it's not one of the easiest decisions he's ever made. He knows what he's up against, right? So he's trying to play that confidence card that he stands out there. If we think it's easy, we're going to give up. If we think our enemy's too strong to beat, we're never going to try. Okay, he's a smart guy. Proud, but smart, okay? So it's not that easy, Kenny. We can see right through you, man. But also, what are they looking at? They're looking, when you go to buy or sell, like short a stock, and you need to base it on a reason. You pay these PhDs $350,000 a year to tell you their recommendations on what a stock's worth, whether or not it's over or undervalued, whether or not they should buy it, and so on. So they look at these stocks. They look at their balance sheet. They look at all of their fundamentals. They look at all of the financial ratios. They look at their income statement. They look at their cash flow statement. And they determine the book value or fundamental value of a company. Now, when it comes to AMC, we know that the Wall Street analysts out there are telling you it's worth $6. Okay. I have no problem with their valuation putting AMC at $6. I may have been even harsher. If looking at the book value and I see that they owe $6 billion and they only have $2 billion in liquid assets right now, I mean, they're underwater in that aspect. Yes, revenue's increasing. All of that's good. They have no current debt obligations until 2023. Like, all of that stuff is good, but that feeds to a low fundamental value or a low book value. And when they see AMC trading at a 5x, 6x, 10x multiple of the book value, they decide, okay, it's time to short it. It is not worth the price that it's trading at right now. It will eventually drop back down. This is their thought process, okay? Everything must return to its fundamental value. One of two things has to happen. AMC's book value needs to increase to its current price, or the price needs to decrease to its current book value. One of those two things will happen, and they're highly doubting that AMC justifies a $20 billion valuation. Therefore, they go out and short it. Now, knowing this, knowing that they think it's worth less, knowing that they believe it's going to return to that, they think they're in the right. Okay? Why would they go out and cover a stock? It's like you. Why would you go out and sell your shares of AMC right now for $30, $40 a share when you know that the stock price is going to go higher? They have the same mentality. They know the stock price is going to go lower, so why would they cover their shorts? Now, beyond that, okay, here's another thing they believe. They believe that you're going to give up. They believe that I'm going to give up. They believe that you're going to get bored. They believe that I'm going to get bored. They see us, guys. It's pathetic to me, okay? How they portray us in the media. Gamblers. I don't know if you guys saw the most recent video out, or I saw it as a video. I don't know if it's an article. I don't know if you saw the most recent video out by CNBC saying that we are a gambling generation. And because we can't go to Vegas and gamble, we go to the stock market instead. That this is a game. We have no idea what money is worth. We're just these delusional people out there who gamify investing, and we don't understand a single thing. I mean, it's pathetic, in my opinion, the way they portray people investing in, yes, what could be riskier assets, what could be riskier investments. But we know by now that the risk to reward ratio is incredible. We know there were plenty of people getting in AMC at $2, $3, $5, $10 per share, and we went up to 70. We're at 50, 40, 30. We're holding steady at roughly a 15x increase from where we were earlier in the year. Do those sound like gambling numbers? Do those sound like pathetic people to you? No. Now, I understand maybe you got in as it was running up. You guys understand the risk involved with buying a stock that is hitting new highs, that is rising and chasing and all of that. We get that, okay? But do not let them cause you to believe that you're a pathetic investor. Do not let them cause you to believe that we don't belong here. Do not let them cause you to believe that they will win this thing. Simply why? I can answer it. I can answer it very simply, guys. Because here's the last thing that they know. They know we've already won this. They know that if we do not sell them the shares back, they're guaranteed a loss. We have something that they are obligated to buy back. And if we do not sell it back to them, they lose. They will try everything they can to convince you what you own is worthless. They will try everything they can to convince you that you are worthless. They will try everything they can to keep you in the same exact position that you're in right now. They do not want you to have more money. They do not want you to have more freedom. They do not want you to have any hope when it comes to your future. If they keep you down, they stay in power. That is what they know. And I hope that every single one of you out there understand that, realize that, and use this as an opportunity not to turn the world upside down, but to turn your world upside down, to take charge and finally receive what is yours and what belongs to you. Guys, the future is bright, it is free, and it is for us. I hope that everybody stands together. I hope that all of us stay confident and you realize the battle, the war, it's already won. They're trying their best to tear us down spiritually, emotionally, physically, and mentally until we decide to give up, because that is the only way they walk out of this thing. That's the only way they walk out of this thing, really. I mean, that's period. End of the sentence right there. Is if you and I give up. Now, I want to know down in the comments below right now, you are not giving up. I am not giving up. Just spread the word that we are here together, we are here strong, and we are not going anywhere. Now, guys, if this button is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. If you're brand new to investing, you're thinking about getting into AMC or any other stock or crypto for that matter, use the link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to sign up. And a $100 deposit is going to get you a couple free stocks. Sell those stocks, keep those stocks, whatever you want to do. They are your stocks. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. And of course, guys, until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.